Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday. I'm going to say it again on this Friday. TGIF. It's been a week. Enough. All right. Last night, I prepared zupa ziemniana zarana, also known as Polish potato soup. It's very good. It's not really heavy. It's not really thick and creamy. It's creamy, but it's not really thick. It's not a chowder, that's for sure. I will admit, the idea of having all dill as a seasoning just kind of turned me off a little bit. So I added just a little bit of basil and a little bit of oregano. It's very good soup. This is a good cold weather or coldish weather soup. I will definitely post it up in the group. Yes. Today and tonight, I'm doing shepherd's pie. It's one of the favorites here in the Tomozik household. I've done this before. This is not the first time, but I've improved on it. The last time I made it, I made notes and incorporated them into my recipe. So let's take a look. Got some hardware, Dutch oven, and the bakingware, the bakeware that the end results will end up in. I'm using elk hamburger, a little bit of olive oil, some garlic, some yellow onion, and some tomato paste, about 2 tablespoons. And there's going to be peas, carrots, and corn. Of course, there's going to be some stock, some Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce, some rosemary, some thyme, some parsley, some basil, and oregano. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 out of the herbs and spices, or actually herbs, are all purchased at the local spicery in Marysville, California. Some flour for thickening, and I'm using Simply Potatoes, mashed potatoes for the top. Yes, or it wouldn't be shepherd's pie. You could substitute the elk with beef or ground lamb. Lamb's pretty traditional. But there's the nice, hearty Friday evening dinner here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. All right. On this Friday, this TGIF, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.